from the night. Reap what you sow, what you sow, what you sow. Creators and destroyers. Is this how it is? Oh, where salvation begins.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet. Another day, another ride. As you can see, I'm on the Bangalore highway heading towards Koppa to a friend's estate where we're going to be staying for the next couple of days. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. And today I'm riding the Honda Transalp 750 XL on this beautiful BM road. Stay tuned for an exciting day of ride today. Check out this drone shot before that. So just before Hassan, took a quick water break. Probably going to have some dosas at HVR. I haven't had anything for morning. Stay tuned. So stopped for some breakfast in the evening. This was the first meal. One of my favorite joints here in Hassan is the HVR on the Transalp. Well, I'm not much of a foodie, but if I eat, I like to eat what I like rather than eat something for the sake of eating. What is your favorite food? Write on my comment section below. Well, I am a South Indian junkie. I love South Indian food. Idli, vada, dosa, bismillah bath, of course. The South Indian palau. So refueling here at Belur, met by all the boys. Welcome to Koppa. Good morning people, welcome you back to my channel. This is DJ Mahaneet once again. We are right now in Koppa. Hope you like the drone shots. We're going to Sringeri, stay tuned. The Sringeri Sharadamba temple. You just come here to see, take blessing of the God. So 4x4 on
I don't know,
Bolero camper.
ಇದೊಂದು
ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ಇದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. We're going up to see the sunset spot right on top of the estate, Belagud estate, right? This is Arjun driving the camper.
Yes, driver of the day.
Hey, the top one I think.
No, I wait for him. I don't know what it is. Should be top.
Yeah, when you go down, you should go up. Go up. Not work to come back down. No. Go, it's okay. Sunset Mugdad mein hode waste. Check the route. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is the third day of our ride here in Koppa. We are in the Belagud coffee estate, and it's going to be just a ride back home today, as we had a couple of days of awesome fun here in Koppa. You might have seen my Sringeri log of the temple yesterday. Hope you like this short log of Sringeri and Koppa. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button once again. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Stay tuned until the next one. It's going to be sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, this is DJ Mahaneet. So this is where we were staying. Here's a quick drone view of the place. Before that, a quick two-step advice. Nature is so beautiful. Why live away from it? In your concrete jungle, stay in nature. Enjoy every moment of your life. Stop fretting over small things. Chill, be happy, spread happiness, keep smiling, and let's have a joyous world, people.